Alright guys, welcome to X Puzzles. This is not used until Unit 6, but we are learning it early to give you guys an early exposure. So let's read the directions. Let's go ahead and let's complete the diamond problems. To this diamond, there's 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. The top cell is going to contain the product of the numbers in the left and the right, and the switch my colors real quick. And the bottom cell contains the sum. So some keywords that we needed to see was that the top is going to be the product of left and right. The bottom cell is going to contain the sum of the left and right. So let's do a couple together. So for number 1, I have the left and right is 6 and 12. So 6 times 12 gives me 72. 6 plus 12 gives me 18. Number 2, I have 8 times 6. So the product's going to go on top. 8 times 6 is 48. And then 8 plus 6 is 14. Alright, so product, multiply to the left and right to give you the number on top. Add the left and right to give you 14. Let's do one more. So I have, for number 3, I have 5 and 8. So top goes multiplication. 5 times 8 is 40. And then let's add the numbers for the bottom cell. 5 plus 8 is 13. So pretty simple for now. Alright, let's move on to something a little different. So on these ones, we're going to give you either the top or the bottom, and then one of the left and right. So here for number 1, it looks like they gave us 9 and 7. So in order to get this missing cell, I did 9 minus 7, which gave us 2. And then 2 times 7 gives us 14. Alright, let's try it together. So for this cell, so remember these two ones have to add up to 11. So something plus 1 equals 11. It's going to give us 10. And then we multiply these two numbers. 10 times 1 is 10. Let's do one more. So 21 and is the bottom number. The left number is going to be a number plus 10 gives me 21. Let's see, 21 minus 10. That's going to give me 11. 11 times 10 is 110. And remember, this is 11 times 10. And then you guys, actually, let's do one more. For this one, I have the product, and I have a left number, but I don't have the right number. So I have to figure out what number times 3 gives me 39. So if I want, I can divide 39 divided by 3, and that gives me 13. And then once I get left and right, I can add to give them the bottom number. 3 plus 13 is 16. Let's go ahead and let's go down here with negative numbers. Let's do a couple of them. Let's do number 3. So, a negative 8 and negative 2, two numbers that multiply to negative 8. One of them is negative 2, so negative 8 divided by negative 2 gives me 4. And I'm adding 2. Negative 2 plus 4 gives me positive 2. One more. Let's do this one. Let's do number 6. Negative 5 is my product. Two numbers that multiply to give you negative 5 is negative 1 and positive 5. Add these numbers and these gives me 4. Now, this is where the real puzzle starts. All that was just warm up. This is where the X puzzles really work. So I give you the top and the bottom, come up with the left and the right. So here, 88, two numbers that multiply to 88 and add up to give me 19. So I'm going to do 8 times 11 gives me 88. 8 plus 11 gives me 19. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, two numbers that multiply to 84 and add to 19. What are the factors of 84? I feel like that would help. 84 is 2 times 42, but that's not going to add to give me 19. How about 7 and 12? right? 7 times 12 gives me 84. 7 plus 12 gives me 19. Those two numbers work. I'll help you with the rest of the row. So for 50, two numbers that multiply to 50. So let's see, I have 5 and 10. I have 2 and 25. Anything else? I feel like not. So out of these two combinations, which one's going to add to give me 15? 2 and 25 can give me 27. That doesn't give me 15. I feel like 5 and 10 will multiply to give me 50 and will add to give me 15. And here for your last one, two numbers that multiply to give me 4. Let's do 4. Let's see, numbers to multiply 4 is 4 and 1, 2 and 2. So I can do 2 and 2 multiplies to 4, but it doesn't add up to give me 5. That doesn't work. Let's try 4 and 1. And let's check. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That's good. All right, go ahead and finish the rest of this and submit it on Canvas, please. Thank you.